PaperCut is a print management software that will handle departmental billing, access code control, and allow for secure printing on a variety of printers across campus. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use these printers with the PaperCut software. The first step is to make sure you've completed the enrollment process using your RFID tag. If you need help with this process, please visit it.tcu.edu/papercut to watch the corresponding video before continuing. Once you've registered your RFID tag, you'll be able to hold the tag up to the RFID reader on the printer to log in. If you happen to be without your RFID tag, you can use the alternate login option to manually enter your credentials. After you log in, either by scanning your RFID tag or manually entering your credentials, you'll see this screen, the Services homepage. You can always get back to this page by pressing the Services Home button. Let's take a look at each of these sections. Selecting Copy will give you all of the same options you're used to seeing. You can click through the various tabs to adjust the necessary settings and then proceed as normal. To get back to the main screen, press the Services Home button. The Email button can be used when you are scanning documents that you wish to send to yourself or to others. When you click on the Email section, you'll first see this screen. By default, your email will be to you and from you, but you can change and add recipients. You can click on Add Recipient to navigate to the Enter Recipient button to easily enter the email of whomever you'd like to send the email to. Or, if your recipient has a TCU email address, you can search for them by name in the Network Address Book section. You will need to enter their last name followed by a comma, a space, and then their first name. On the main email screen, you will also find additional settings such as two-sided scanning, original orientation, which gives you additional options for scanning photos, and attachment, which will allow you to change the file type of your scanned attachment. When you click the subject tile, you'll be able to type your desired text for the subject line of your email. You will also see tabs for advanced settings, layout adjustment, email options, and job assembly. When you make selections in these menus, you'll click on the box with the green check mark that says OK to save your selection, or the box that says Cancel to cancel. Keep in mind that when sending scanned documents through email, you need to make sure you are not exceeding the attachment size limit. Attachment size limitations vary by email provider, but no larger than 25 megabytes is a good rule of thumb if you're emailing someone outside of TCU. Our TCU email addresses can receive attachments of approximately 40 megabytes. Under the Email Options tab, you can make adjustments to quality and file size. You can also increase or decrease file size by making adjustments to the DPI, which is found under Advanced Settings in the Resolution section. Select the Services Home button when you are ready to return to the main menu. Before we look at the Print Release option, let's talk about printing in general. When you want to print, you'll have two choices, direct printing or printing to the Follow Me queue. Direct printing is the exact same thing you're used to doing and allows you to print directly to the specific printer you've selected. The Follow Me queue is a new feature we'll talk about that's been added, and it will allow you to securely print from any printer on campus that uses PaperCut. Now let's take a look at the Print Release option and learn about the Follow Me queue. You can choose to print to a specific printer directly, or you can print to the Follow Me queue. If you choose to print to a specific printer, your job will print to that printer directly as soon as you elect to print from your computer. By choosing to print to the Follow Me queue, when you are ready to print, you can badge into any printer that uses PaperCut across campus and print your document. When you badge in, the printer will know you have an item in the Follow Me queue and will bring you directly to the Print Release section instead of first going to the Services homepage. You can also navigate to this section whenever you like by selecting the Print Release option from the Services home menu. Once you select the Print Release option, you'll see a list of your print jobs that you have sent to the Follow Me queue that you have not yet printed. You can select the one you wish to print and then release it by selecting Print. If you have multiple accounts, you will be prompted to select the appropriate one for billing purposes before printing. When printing to the Follow Me queue, your print job will print with the printer's default settings, and you will not be able to change these settings. When you send a job to the Follow Me queue, it will stay there for approximately 1 day before it is removed. Select the Services Home button once again to return to the main menu. The Select Account menu option comes into play when you have multiple budget codes. This would apply for employees who work for 2 different departments. If you have multiple account codes, you need to make sure you have the right one selected before you print or copy to ensure the appropriate department is billed. To change or select an account, go into the Select Account section and choose the appropriate department and then select Access Device. One of your departments will show up as My Personal Account, and if you only work in one department, you will just see the option for My Personal Account. If you only have one account, it is not necessary to use the Select Account section. Select the Services Home button when you are ready to return to the main menu. Now we've gone through all of the menu items regarding how you'll interact with PaperCut. For more information, please visit it.tcu.edu/papercut. Thanks for watching.